Scientific progress has always had a human bottleneck. It's a process of trial, error, and thousands of hours spent reading PDFs that, let's be honest, often lead to dead ends.
But what if you could turn research into something that runs in the background, like a software update? Today we are talking about a massive shift in how knowledge is created. We are looking at Lemma, a platform from the team at Analemma AI.
This isn't just another chatbot that summarizes your homework. They are building what they call Vibe Research, an autonomous scalable ecosystem where AI doesn't just help you to write, it actually does the discovery.
Before we get into the software, we have to look at the philosophy. Most companies use AI to help humans do human things. But Analemma is using AI to help AI progress faster. It's a research as a service platform designed to handle everything from the first what if to the final peer-reviewed paper. Now, if you have used a standard LLM for literature review, you know the struggle. It gives you 5 paragraphs and maybe 3 hallucinations.
Lemma's survey mode is a different beast. It operates as its own dedicated pipeline designed to generate long-form 50-plus page academic surveys. It doesn't just skim the surface, it maps out the entire evolution of the field with real, extensive citations. To see this in action, look at how an R&D team can map out an emerging field like neuromorphic computing. Instead of spending weeks hunting down papers, they feed Lemma a precise instruction like provide a comprehensive academic survey on evolution of neuromorphic computing architectures from 2015 to present, focusing on hardware efficiency and memristor-based synaptic devices. In just 2 to 3 hours, Lemma transforms that single prompt into a publication-ready draft that would take a human researcher months to compile. For students, professors, or R&D departments, this takes the heavy groundwork of literature reviews and reduces it to a single, well-placed prompt.
The real crown jewel here is the FARS, fully automated research system. This is the world's first publicly deployed, large-scale and end-to-end AI research system. It doesn't just write, it reasons.
Depending on your needs, you can set the FARS to generate different outputs. For example, starting with a research proposal to map out a roadmap or moving all the way to a full academic paper. FARS handles the entire lifecycle, including acquiring data, whether that's automatically downloading public datasets from repositories or generating entirely new synthetic datasets using LLMs. To see the true scale of this automation, imagine an AI lab wanting to benchmark new optimization algorithms. They can initiate a complete autonomous run using the direct instructions like design, execute, and document an empirical study comparing ADMW and RMS probe optimizers on sparse Fusion transformers using the CIFAR 100 dataset. From that single prompt, FARS plans the experiment, executes it, analyzes the result, and writes the final paper autonomously. To give you an idea of the scale, in initial tests, FARS generates 100 research papers in just 10 days. Currently, it's optimized for AI research and computing science, turning the research process into a 24/7 autonomous loop that keeps generating ideas while you sleep. To get the most out of full automated research system model, you need to understand how to prompt it. With FARS, you can select specific deliverables, and today we are focusing on the research proposal. A pro tip here, instead of telling the system to write a paper, write a prompt like, I have a broad research interest in this specific field. Generate a constraint and testable research proposal. You describe the problem and the system creates the roadmap. If you are just starting out, keep it efficient. Generate 2 or 3 proposals first to see which direction hits the mark before you commit your full credits. So, who is actually using this? In academia, It's a tool for staying at the absolute frontier of fields moving far beyond human reading speeds. But research isn't just about reading, it's about execution. Running experiments is often the most demanding and time-consuming part of the workflow, requiring immense effort and energy. Lemma automates that heavy lifting, allowing researchers to focus on the high-level breakthroughs. In enterprise, the impact is even broader. We are seeing a massive need for model building across nearly every industry, from weather and energy to education, power systems, and construction. The goal here is accelerating model building and allowing organizations to build sophisticated models with fewer machine learning experts. For any industry that relies on the public internet for data, Lemma's survey mode can map out the entire field in just 2 or 3 hours. Whether you are an investment firm analyzing new architectures or an energy company optimizing a grid, Lemma provides a deep dive technical foundation that used to take months to compile.
The world is changing. We are moving away from AI as a tool and toward AI as a collaborator. And Lemma's vision is to make research as a core infrastructure, something as reliable and available as electricity. You can check it out for yourself at lemma.analemma.ai, and remember this: focus on research direction in your prompts. And my dear friends, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next videos.